Hello there. Fellowship of the Briar, Harvey here. I am smoking some McBaren's mixture. Very good. Today's topic is quite relevant for an online, a virtual community like what we have in YouTube. And it's how long do you think it's gonna take for the train of technology to leave you behind? With this I mean we all have met, if not we are partially are, technology challenged. When a new technology kicks in, you feel like, hey, wait a second. Like when the CD came to place, the LPs and the cassettes were, basically technologies from the past. When the CDs came, all the diskettes were thrown away. I still have no idea why computers bring this 3.5 inches slot for diskettes. I just don't get it. So my question is, well, no, I have a confession to make. I have been pretentious enough to say really stupid stuff like, well, if I'm trying to understand this software and I'm reading the manual and everything and I cannot get it to work, it means that is either not well designed or the instructions are not clear enough, because I've dedicated my life to work in technology and software and stuff like that, and I think it's totally out of line. It's totally pretentious, and at one point I have to admit that I'm gonna be too slow or too used to other kind of technologies that the new ones are gonna just leave me behind. And this all comes because I watched a video. It's in French, and I think it has either English subtitles or Spanish subtitles. If it's the Spanish subtitles, I'm sorry, but you can get along the idea of what's going on there. I'm gonna put the link of the video in the description or right here, and you can enjoy it. So what do you think? It's gonna be long or not that long for us to be old grandpas over the old technologies? As always, my friends, puff away.